Weird thing, I found out a lot of people don't know a lot about tax. So today, we will be talking about tax, more tax, and much more tax. We are going to help you understand how tax works and how it affects you. And by we, I mean Temitope, a tax expert.
First things first. Investopedia defines taxes as involuntary fees levied on individuals, corporations, and enforced by a government entity, whether local, regional, or national, in order to finance government activities.
In other words, to borrow from the great John Oliver, tax is the government's GoFundMe page.
Why pay your tax? The entire point of taxes is for you to help the government finance projects that will make life better. Because if you and I don't pay taxes, the government cannot run. Now that you know just how important it is for you to pay your tax, welcome aboard.
What's next? Now we need to find out what the main types of taxes are and how they matter to you.
Number one on the list is income tax. If you're a salary earner or a business owner, this is the type of tax that you pay to the government from your monthly earnings or revenue. In Nigeria, income tax is progressive, but no individual pays more than 24%. So, if you were to get 300k, your tax rate is 7%. So you get 279k instead. Number two on the list is value added tax. For people that have been using the acronym VAT without knowing the full meaning, here is what it is: value added tax. The VAT is a levy you pay to the government on all products and services you buy within a country. Here is how it works in Nigeria. The main VAT rate in Nigeria is 5% and is usually included in the cost of goods and services you are purchasing.
Sometimes, some businesses do not include VAT in their prices. For example, you buy food worth 7,000 naira at a restaurant, but you end up paying 9,000 naira. Now your VAT is talking.
Next, we have withholding tax. This is a type of tax you may not know about. Withholding tax is simply an advance payment of your income tax. It is deducted at source from the payments to you and paid directly to the government. Here is the beautiful thing. You get to deduct all the payments from your future income tax liability. Last but not the least is capital gains tax. This is basically a tax on assets that you sell, or simply put, transfer of property rights. It essentially places a levy on the profit you made from selling that asset, which is subject to capital gains tax of 10%. But this is the case only if you make a profit.
There are other types of taxes, but these are the main ones you should know about. Do you have any questions about taxation? Let us know in the comments below.